Hello students, good morning you to all. आज आम फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम पढ़ा ह्यूमन बीइंग रो हमर जो मेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम को आम गला क्लास रे सारी आज पढ़ा आम फीमेल रिप्रोडक्टिव सिस्टम human female reproductive system human. As we already have discussed that it is a combined function, and in the combined function male it has certain role and also female it has also certain role. And what is the role of a female that we have already discussed? It performs two basic functions. One, to produce the male gamete sperm, and second, to transport that sperm into the female body. So, in the course of sexual reproduction, the stages in sexual reproduction, all that stages we have already described in the stages in sexual reproduction, such that your gametogenesis, fertilization, cleavage, morulation, blastulation, gastrulation, organogenesis to form organism. So among that different stages in sexual reproduction, male only perform the gametogenesis stage. Rest all the stages including gametogenesis, female perform almost all stages of sexual reproduction starting from gametogenesis till birth. Gametogenesis to dhari cleavage, fertilization, cleavage, morulation, blastulation, gastrulation, organogenesis till birth, including lactation also. So female perform almost all stages of sexual reproduction starting from gametogenesis till birth, including lactation. And for that, female possesses two basic parts. The reproductive organs, the reproductive organs, and second, the reproductive glands. The reproductive glands. As we know, all that system that consists of several parts, several structure, several organs. Similarly, a reproductive system also consists of a number of organs and a number of glands that associate in the process of reproduction. And the reproductive organs includes one pair of ovaries, one pair of oviduct, one pair of oviduct, single large uterus, and single vagina and the external genitalia, that is vulva. So what are the structure? Gote pair of ovary, गोटे पेयर ओविडक्ट ताको भी फालोपियन ट्यूब कहबा, गोटे यूटेरस सिंगल लार्ज यूटेरस single vagina ebong external genitalia, that is vulva. And the reproductive gland, it includes your Bartholin's gland. Bartholin's gland, that is one pair, and second mammary gland. Mammary gland, also one pair. So all this structure and these two reproductive glands that togetherly constitute your female reproductive system, and that female reproductive system perform almost all stages of sexual reproduction, starting from gametogenesis till birth, including lactation also. So let's see the diagram first. So this is your female reproductive system. So in the female reproductive system, this is one pair of ovary. One pair of ovary. This is one pair of ovary, and here the oviduct or fallopian tube. Fallopian tube, also called oviduct. Akubi oviduct कहूचे, oviduct or fallopian tube. एवं एठी गोटे लार्ज यूटेरस रहिला. एठी यहला uterus, large uterus. Again this is vagina. This is vagina, and this vaginal orifice, this open to this vaginal orifice, that open to vulva. Vulva. So कौन कौन पिला माने पार्ट आमर गोटे पेयर ओभारी रहिला, जोटा आमर जेमते प्राइमरी सेक्स ऑर्गन, एवं नियर द ओभारी, नॉट अटैच टू द ओभारी, नियर द ओभारी, फ्रॉम नियर द ओभारी वन पेयर ऑफ फैलोपियन ट्यूब, वन पेयर ऑफ oviduct arises. Oviduct arises, that is also called fallopian tube, and a single large uterus, and that is vagina, and that vagina that open to outside to the external genitalia, that is vulva. So all these, that is your reproductive system, and this is your positioning diagram. This is a diagram of female reproductive system, but in which way it positioned in our body, it is that diagram. Here, this is this path. This is vagina, the cervix, all these, the ovary, oviduct, and uterus. This is urinary bladder, that is separate, and this is also separate. This is. So, आरो डिटेल डायग्राम टा हला पिला माने एटा ये होची गोटे पेयर तेनु कोन सार सब फंक्शन अकॉर्डिंगली गोटे पेयर ओभारी जोटा तार प्राइमरी सेक्स, it also perform the primary functions of the body, and the primary functions of the body, primary function, it produces ovum. That is the primary function, and rest of the part, their accessory sex. Accessory sex, secondary sex, primary sex. So gote pair ovary, it is the primary sex. Except gote pair ovary, all other organs, all other structure, they are the accessory sex, including one pair of oviduct, one single large uterus and vagina and vulva. Then to the vagina, one pair of Bartholin's gland, they pour their secretion to the vaginal passage, and one pair of mammary gland that provides milk, that secretes milk present in the breast. So let's explain one by one. So first come to the ovary. So as per stages in sexual reproduction, which stage performed by which organ, let's first explain it. One pair of ovary, where first stage in sexual reproduction, that is gametogenesis, that occurs. The first stage. After formation of ovum, then second stage is fertilization. And in our case, in case of human being, fertilization is internal. And where it takes place at the fallopian tube. So one pair of fallopian tube, it is the site of fertilization. Second stage over, fertilization and zygote is formed. At the fallopian tube also, cleavage, morulation, blastulation also occur. Cleavage, morulation, blastulation. Reaching blastulation पिला माने होउथिबो से आसिकरी कोठी के आसीबो ना यूटेरस रे. यूटेरस रे कोन हबो, the embryo at its blastulous stage during the 7th day of pregnancy, it is implanted. It is implanted. That is called implantation, and it's called true pregnancy. तेनो यूटेरस रे आसिला कोन हला, इम्प्लांट हला. को स्टेज रे ना ब्लास्टुला स्टेज रे इम्प्लांट हला. सो ब्लास्टुला स्टेज पूर्वरु हमर जाइगोट टी कोन हला ना, जाइगोट टा क्लीवेज प्रक्रिया रे गोटे मोरुला टी हला. देखि नबो आमे जो विभिन्न स्टेज रो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन कहिचे ताकू टिके देखि नबो. जाइगोट टी रिपीटेडली माइटोटिकली डिवीजन हेकरी गोटे मोरुला टी हला सेई फैलोपियन ट्यूब रे. मोरुलाटी ब्लास्टुला स्टेज हला गोटे होलो स्ट्रक्चर जो तेरे बाहर गोटे लेयर रो सेल रहिला ट्रोफोब्लास्ट, आ गोटे एग्रीगेटेड मास रे इनर साइड रे रहिले ताको इनर सेल मास कहले. विथ ए फ्लूइड फील्ड कैविटी ब्लास्टोसिल, सेई ब्लास्टुला होउथिबा अवस्था रे से आसिला कोठी की ना यूटेरस को आसिला. यूटेरस रे ब्लास्टुला स्टेज रे 7th day of pregnancy रे एठी implant हला. एवं after implantation, now it is called true pregnancy occur. True pregnancy occur. And here the next following stages of sexual reproduction, that is gastrulation occur. Different germ layers are formed. And in organogenesis, from ectoderm, from endoderm, from cells of mesoderm, different organs are formed. Here the embryo implanted, developed and reached towards adult and ready for parturition. Then through the vagina the parturition occur, and one pair of mammary gland is meant for lactation. So this is the outline structure and outline function. So let's explain one by one individually. So first come to ovary. Ovary. So one pair of ovary, almond shaped, or ovoid shaped, almond or ovoid shaped, one pair in number. grayish pink in color, grayish pink in color, grayish pink in color, and measures about 3 centimeter in length, 2 centimeter breadth, and 1 centimeter in thickness. Okay, this is measurement. This is the size, this is color, this is shape, and present in the pelvis region, where there is the position where the ovary lies in your body, at the pelvis region, near the kidney. Okay, our body divisible into head, neck, trunk, tail, and again trunk, thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity. Abdominal cavity again upper abdominal cavity, lower abdominal cavity, and that is pelvis region boli kauche. So one pair of ovary present at the pelvis region near the kidney and is connected with ligament, ovarian ligament to uterus and abdominal wall. So this is all, and is covered by mesovarium, and has hilus, is through which various structure, blood vessel, your lymph vessel, nerve, that either enters or exit. पिला माने हाइलस होची गोटे descriptive term. हाइलस होची गोटे descriptive term. It is the gateway through, it is the path, it is the region through which various structure such as your blood vessel, lymph vessel, nerves either enters into or exit out. So which blood vessels, lymph vessels, nerves either enters into or exit out. So this is पिला माने तार morphology गला. This is morphology. That means आमे morphology रे साधारणतः कौन पढ़ुचे पिला माने तार shape कौन, तार size कौन, तार color कौन, तार measurement कौन, length केते, breadth केते, तार thickness केते, height केते, कोठी अच्छी position कोठी, एवं तार covering कौन, protection कौन, इत्यादि. तेणु आर शेप है कौन पिला माने ना आलमंड शेप और ओवॉइड शेप. साइज है केते ना 3 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ, 2 सेंटीमीटर ब्रेथ, 1 सेंटीमीटर थिकनेस. शेप साइज. कलर कौन ना कलर है ग्रेइश पिंक इन कलर. नंबर केते ना 1 पेयर इन नंबर, 1 पेयर. एंड where it present in your body, it present at the pelvis region near the kidney and is attached to the abdominal wall and uterine wall. Through ovarian ligament. It is attached, and The membrane that covers is called the mesothelium and it has hilus. Hilus means pilamane gote path through which various structure that enters into or various structure that exit out of the structure. तेणु जमिति आमे गोटे किडनी रे भी पढ़ी भी किडनी रे गोटे हाइलस थिला जो गोटे रेनाल आर्टेरी जाउथुला रेनाल भेन आसुथुला सेथिरे हमरो रेनाल आर्टेरी बाहरुथुला इत्यादि इत्यादि सेमिति हाइलस होची गोटे डेस्क्रिप्टिव टर्म नॉट दैट फॉर दिस ओनली हाइलस होची गोटे पैसेज जो पटे किछि जिनिस एंटर करिवो किंबा से जिनिस एग्जिट करिवो तेणु सेठी हाइलस होची गोटे थ्रू व्हिच blood vessels, lymph vessel, nerve either enters into or exit out. So you have to remember the term hilus, you have to remember the term mesothelium, the ovarian ligament and the shape, size, color, number, etc. and etc. Next, anatomy is your morphology of ovary. Then anatomy, internal structure. If we take the transverse section of ovary, then this is the structure. What? TS of ovary. TS of ovary. So internally each ovary is differentiated into 4 regions. आमे तार morphology को गले morphology परे आमे देखिले each ovary is differentiated into 4 regions. What? The layer of germinal epithelium, the layer of cuboidal cells, the germinal epithelium, cuboidal germinal epithelium. This is the one layer of the outermost germinal epithelium. This is germinal epithelium. Epithelium. That is one. And below the germinal epithelium there is the fibrous connective tissue, that is tunica albuzina. Second, tunica albuzina. Albuzina. And the dense connective tissue layer where the blood vessel, where the reticular fibers they present and the follicular cells present, that is called cortex. And the middle, medulla. Medulla. That means each ovary is internally differentiated into 4 regions. The outermost the germinal epithelium number 1, the tunica albuzina number 2, the cortex region number 3, and medulla region number 4. Okay? Cortex region is a dense connective tissue where reticular fibers, blood vessels, follicular cells present, and medulla, the innermost medulla. Similarly, pilamane, cortex and medulla, they are two descriptive terms, like your hilus. Cortex, external part description is related to cortex. Cortex means some external part. Medulla means internal part. Renal cortex, renal medulla. Okay. So, cortex and medulla, they are descriptive term. Adrenal cortex, adrenal medulla, adrenal gland bahar taku cortex कहबा भीतर को medulla कहबा. Kidney रो बाहर को हमें cortex कहबा भीतर को medulla कहबा. Ovary रो बाहर पोर्शन को हमें cortex कहबा भीतर टाको medulla कहबा. जो medulla से less dense connective tissue किंतु cortex से dense connective tissue रे तियारी. So कौन हुए पिला माने देखो जेते बेले हमें transverse section नौचे. As we have already known, we are having two type of cells in our body. So in case of female body, the two type of cell, one somatic cell, another germinal cell. And the germinal cell only present at the ovary. The lining layer of cells, that is called germinal epithelium, and that germinal epithelium are the only cells that divide in the process of meiosis and produce the different type of gametes. In case of male body, that produces the same germinal epithelium that lines the seminiferous tubule. In case of testes, that produce the male gametes, sperm in case of male body, and the germinal epithelium that lines the ovary in case of a female, that also divides in the process of meiosis and undergoes the meiotic cell division to produce the female gamete, ovum. So, ये जो internal structure को हमें जीवा, anatomy को जीवा, सेठी पिला माने different structures अच्छी, just like your ovarian follicle, the corpus graphian follicle, the corpus luteum, and corpus albicans. So, our next class रे हमें जीवा तारो internal structure or anatomy or transverse section of ovary. Thank you all students.